मॉर्निंग जेंटलमैन, टुडे लेट्स डिस्कस अनदर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक जो कि हम सबके लिए बहुत काम आ सकती है. द गेम्स पीपल प्ले, written by Eric Berne. Now, have you ever had a boss who tried passing his mistakes on to you? I'm sure many of us must have had such bosses. Let me give you an example. Mr. Suraj is the boss, and in an important meeting to resolve an impending problem, Suraj asks his team members about some suggestions as to how to fix things. Now, Satish Akin Kumar, boss wants to fix him, gives an idea, and Suraj appreciates it in front of all the team members without giving any opportunity to anyone present there to discuss this idea, and immediately takes it further to his boss. Perhaps knowingly that the idea is not good. It has got a lot of gray areas, right? He takes it to his boss, and obviously it ends up making things worse. अब बॉस के आगे सूरज क्या बोलता है? सतीश का नाम भी ले सकता है, राइट? कि दिस आइडिया हैज कम फ्रॉम सतीश, एंड दैट आइडिया इज ईदर रिडिक्यूल्ड, उसकी मौकरी बनती है, एंड देन ही एंड्स अप मेकिंग थिंग्स वर्स. Then Suraj comes back and redirects all the blowback to Satish. He played a game. He had set things up so that either the blame never lands on him, or maybe he wanted to fix Satish. I can give you another example. Ravi is HR head of a company, operating in, say, for example, North region. Now he goes to his boss, the regional head, and tells him that the manpower at the project sites is exceeding and has gone beyond the laid down limits. But the boss dismisses or maybe he may justify it also. Now Ravi comes back. In the annual review meeting, जहां पे every region's performance was being assessed, the boss conveniently palms off the increase in expenditure due to manpower onto Ravi. Now, did he play a game? Perhaps he played a game against Ravi. If you figure out the game and then play the right moves, you can stop these games being played against you and also help your friends. This book, Games People Play, The Psychology of Human Relationship by Eric Berne, is a storehouse of such games. Eric Berne was a renowned psychologist who had spent many years studying human behavior and authored books like Transaction Analysis. Now, this book is particularly built on transaction analysis, called a TA, and is therefore a bit technical, particularly for those who have not studied transaction analysis. So what I have done is I have only taken important games with relevant examples which are of use to us and stitched a narrative. We will start with some background so that it makes some sense, this book. So first thing is we discuss about transaction analysis. Eric Berne, the author of this book, says there are 3 states from which we all interact. He calls them as ego states: the parent ego state, the adult ego state, and the child ego state. These ego states have got nothing to do with being a parent or a child or an adult. We, as a matter of fact, we all operate from all these 3 ego states. Parent ego state. What is parent ego state? We inevitably pick up some of our parents' beliefs and gestures, and we carry, throughout our lives. For instance, I'll give you an example, beautiful example that happened with me. I was going for a walk within the garden, the park, and there were some kids who were also playing there. उनमें से कोई 10 साल का था, कोई 7 साल का था, 6 साल का था. एक 10 साल का बच्चा, I heard shouting his lungs out. एक छोटे से बच्चे हुए 6-7 साल के, मैंने तेरे को कितनी बार बोला है बड़ों के बीच में नहीं बोलना है. ऐसे ही बिल्कुल उंगली उठा के. Where did he learn? And which ego state was he operating from? Parent ego state. He must have learned, और उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको कभी बोला होगा, and वहां से उसने पिकअप किया. So this we carry on, throughout our lives. Adult ego state. All of us have the ability to objectively process data and assess reality. The adult seeks information rather than making assumptions. There are some key ways the adult ego state improves our communication. Like it improves our ability to empathize. It helps us becoming an active listener and a critical thinker. Then the child ego state, the part of the little boy that still lives in us. The child ego state is not about being childishness or immaturity. It's simply the creative, the intuitive, and spontaneous part of who we are. For instance, somebody saying, let's go for a party tonight. It has come from the child ego state. So, A and B are conversing. A talks, B responds. It implies A senses stimuli. Even a hello will do, right? And the B gives the response. So, this stimuli given by A and the response given by B is a transaction. And so there can be a series of such stimulus and responses, right? So sometimes we notice people shifting from one ego state to another during a conversation. And also, one person might be corresponding from one ego state, whereas the other person from another ego state. For instance, A says, let's go for a party, whereas B says, no, it's late now, it's risky, it's getting dark. So, A is operating from the child ego and B from the parent ego, right? So, this happens. So, therefore, the transaction analysis is a method of studying interactions between individuals. Got it? So now we move on to the games. What are games? Games at work or in personal life are where one person, A, मान लो, says one thing but means another. होता नहीं होता? Means he speaks something but means something else. That is what Suraj did. The example that I gave, Suraj the boss, triggering a reaction in the other person B, and that then leads to a predictable payoff where the second person ends up feeling dissatisfied while A is having his needs met. So when any social interaction has an ulterior motive, Suraj had an ulterior motive and a payoff, and payoff was what? His own vindication that look, Satish is awful. It is most likely a game. So a game is which has an ulterior motive and a payoff, like the game that was played by Suraj, either to avoid the backlash or to palm off the blame to his own team members. On the surface, they may seem like normal interactions, but psychologically they are different. I give you another example. A salesman selling a product to a lady, he said, this one, ma'am, this one is better, this pink one. I think so, ma'am, you will not be able to afford it. It's premium quality, it's expensive. So the lady immediately says, no, I'll take this one only, the pink one. What has he done? On the surface, it is adult to adult transaction. But psychologically, what the salesman was doing was, he is instigating the child of that lady. So it is quite possible when we interact with others, we might be actually playing games unconsciously, not doing things deliberately or intentionally. So by even understanding and recognizing the games that we play, we can start taking control of our own responses and develop more fulfilling and secure relationships. Eric Berne, in his book, categorized these games according to the context in which they typically occur. Life games, marital games, party games, consulting room games, like this. And these games can be found in multiple contexts also. Okay? So now we move on to the games that were mentioned in this book. Now, moving on to the games. Let's discuss the first game. See what you made me do, or you got me into this. The first example, Suraj the boss. What did he do? He played this game. See, Satish, what you made me do. You only got me into this. Boss playing with Ravi, the HR head. You got me into this. He palmed off the blame. Now, these games are played alongside another game. I am only trying to help you. I'm only trying to project you. This is what Suraj the boss did to Satish. I was only trying to project you, man. Look what you have done. Now, another beautiful example of this. घर में भी खिलाया था ये game. Lakshmi, the wife, often complains Ravi, her husband, कि तुम्हारे कारण बच्चे बिगड़ रहे, तुम कुछ कहते नहीं. So Ravi, what he does? He throws the burden of decisions regarding the children's upbringing on Lakshmi. He said, ठीक है, तुम decision लेना. मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे कहने पे I'll only be the executor of your decisions taken by Lakshmi. So one day Lakshmi says, no more chocolates and TV in this house. So Ravi promptly takes away all the bloody chocolates and gets the cable connection disconnected. Now the children are upset and he palms off the responsibility onto the mother. Unka decision hai. So he plays this game. See, you made me do, I was only trying to help you out. Notice, how these games see what you made me do, I am only trying to help you, you got me into this. They are all complementary. Now sometimes these interactions can carry on for years until someday they escalate and get out of control. Right? Another game. If it weren't for you. Notice this example. This is given in the book also. After an incident on the swimming pool, the parents don't allow Lakshmi to go near even the swimming pool. Now, Lakshmi also after that incident internally fears water. But now she has the excuse and she doesn't have to show that fear anymore. She can instead take a stand that she is not afraid and she does not go to the swimming pool because her parents don't allow her. If it were not for them, I could have swam every day and become a good swimmer also. So it's not Lakshmi's fault anymore, but her parents, and she is vindicated. Payoff. If it weren't for you. This game is played between married couples also. I give you an example. Ravi has a job which requires frequent transfers. He got married to a lady, Lakshmi, who is also qualified but is not working. Now, when they were getting married, he explained her the nature of his job. Ravi never tells her not to work, but Lakshmi then takes a decision of not working as she realizes that she will have to then face the challenges of managing the family single-handedly. So she decides to move with her husband wherever he is transferred. But now she has an excuse. If it were not for her husband, she would have also been on a high-ranking position. अगर तुम नहीं होते ना तो मैं आज कहाँ पहुंची होती, right? So this game is even played at home. Okay, let's move on to another game. Why don't you? Yes, but. Listen to a conversation in a party where Lakshmi is complaining about her husband to her friends. Lakshmi says, I get no time to relax. My husband does not help me in any household work and I have to do all myself after I return from school. She is a teacher. So friend one says, just do what you can and then leave her. And then Lakshmi says, yes, but my house will remain dirty. He will still not do anything. Another friend jumps in. So hire a maid. Then Lakshmi says, yes, but I already have one. So another friend says, then ask her to do that work and pay her a little bit extra. So Lakshmi says, yes, but she may not do it properly. She already has a lot of work. So another friend jumps in with an idea. Speak to your husband. So Lakshmi once again, yes, but he often comes late from office. So now there is silence. Her point in engaging all of them was not to solve the problem in the first place, but to engage in a game. Lakshmi wins when all her friends are exhausted and they have no other option. So internally what she has done, she has demonstrated that they are inadequate in solving her problem. Do we play this game? Okay. So moving on to the next game. Look how hard I have tried. ये घर पे भी खेला जाता है, you know, just to get some sympathy from wife trying to get sympathy from husband. So ये गेम वहाँ पे भी खेला जाता है. Look how hard I have been trying and I was trying. इसका एक sinister form भी है इस गेम में, जो बहुत dangerous है. Example देता हूँ इसका. अक्षय was in the land acquisition team of a company और उनका एक project आने वाला है जिसके लिए land acquire करना है. So Akshay is running around the whole day. गर्मी बरसात कुछ भी हो, you know, visiting the project site, negotiating with farmers, the brokers for this, you know, to acquire land for the company project. But secretly he does not want company to succeed because he is not going to get anything out of it. उसको कोई benefit नहीं होने वाला. So what he does is he covertly allows a portion of that land to slip to the rival company by sharing some information or holding out the information from his company and then feigning ignorance कि मुझे तो पता ही नहीं लगा था. Now the company bosses also cannot say anything because everyone knows, as seen and can vouch, that Akshay worked very hard and he ran around. But on the other hand, Akshay has benefited from the rivals. So look how hard I have tried. So he gets the sympathy of all the bosses and appreciate their appreciation also, and he gets the monetary benefit also. So this is the more sinister form, right? There is another game which has a sinister form. It's Schlemiel. Now imagine this. I am giving an example how it happens. Ravi and Piyush are two colleagues working in the same company, same organization. Now Ravi has lots of grudges against Piyush. The reasons can be many. Grudges के तो कई सारे reason हो सकते हैं. Piyush को monetary benefits ज़्यादा मिल गए. The boss likes him. शायद प्रमोशन हो गया and all that. Now in this game what happens, this character Piyush throws a party and he invites everyone. So Ravi is also invited and Ravi intentionally उसके बहुत महंगे सोफे पे स्वीट डिश गिरा देता है and then he gets, oh sorry, by mistake it happened. Now host Piyush cannot say anything and then he will say, no issues, I'll manage. But अंदर ही अंदर Ravi is bloody happy कि आज इसका मैंने sort out कर दिया. So this is a more sinister form, right? So there are many such games that are played. Blemish, Kick Me, right? Harried Woman. For this one may have to this. ये छोटे टाइम में सारे नहीं मैं बता सकता. One can, read the book thereafter to learn more about these games. What I have covered in it, the most important games, sinister games that are played, जिनसे कि अगर हमें आइडिया हो और हम फिगर आउट कर लें तो हम अपने को वी कैन prevent games being played against us and we can have better relations also if we are playing games. So there are certain features, common features in the games. The games are repeated. बार बार आदमी खेलता है. Okay, games are played without adult awareness. Okay, ऊपर से लग रहा होगा कि adult transaction है लेकिन है नहीं. Right? So here I come to an end. Please read this book, The Games People Play. I have covered sufficient games जो कि आपको मदद करेंगे. अगर बुक भी ना पढ़ते हो तो भी आपको मदद करेंगे कि आप you do not allow people to play game against you. Thank you. जय हिंद.